all heard countless different opinions about the Bose AM5. Many loved it and still love it, while others consider it as one of the worst high-end speakers. Because yes, the AM5 was not cheap when it was released in 1990, costing a whopping $800. But is the AM5 really that bad? The answer is no. In fact, it's a perfect little system, at least for the average American consumer in the 1990s, who's used to big but crappy sounding speakers like Fisher products. But for us, audio enthusiasts, this system sounds awful. The bass module lacks kick, frequencies between 200 and 250 Hz are lost in the void due to the gap between the bass module and the sats, which by the way roll off at 10 kHz. But this system never claimed to be hi-fi. In fact, it sounds really similar to the Sonos Play 1. Big bass, lack of mids and strange highs. But just like the AM5, the Play 1 became a bestseller, because both of them are made to sound impressive, not amazing. They are both perfect speakers for background listening, thanks to their bass-heavy tuning, and are therefore both really common in shops, which made them even more popular in households. So should anyone buy an old AM5 in 2023? As the price dropped a lot, I would say yes. Especially for the bass module if you listen to a lot of electronic music, as the big 45Hz resonance frequency makes it a trance, EDM and psytrance monster. The sats sound very boxy and lack details, but if you can get a bass module on its own for less than $50, it's clearly worth it, even for other styles of music to help small bookshelf speakers. I also wanted to talk a little bit about the bass drivers. They are monstrous if you want to build a little subwoofer for a car or for a small home theater. Spending a bit of money in a bass module just to get the drivers is clearly worth it compared to the price of new high-performance drivers. In conclusion, I would say that the AM5 is a great system for 90% of the population and still sounds way better than most of the home theaters in the box and other mini hi-fi systems. Unlike other old systems, the AM5 ages well, as it has a perfect frequency response for modern bassy and compressed music.
Looking like Sky, she got her body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cardi J's, and the bitch deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these hoes, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky, ooh. Right beside me, the phantom off that Molly.
Pretending we don't care, but I know at the end you will always be there. Reciprocate, I am scared to fall down, and sometimes love just isn't enough. But if I had a chance, I know I'd find my way back to you somehow. I try to move on.
First